Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can add custom fields to the invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. So if you want to join this full course or get the QuickBooks services, you can contact on this number. Alright, let's get started. Now let me show you how to add custom fields in any invoice. For that, I'll just open an existing invoice, go to create invoices and open any invoice. Now this is our invoice, but in this layout, I don't have a sales representative field here or color wise field or city wise field. Or if I want to mention the sales tax number of the customer, we need these fields to be inserted when practically dealing with the scenarios. So in order to enable the fields on the invoices, first I have to make adjustments in the customers itself. So I'll just close this invoice for now and go to customers area. Now there are many customers, but I have to make adjustment only for the one customer and it will automatically be enabled for all the customers. So what I'll do is I'll just double click on any customers. Now by default, there are some fields available in the address info. For example, company name, full name, and work phone, mobile number, etc. But if I want to create a custom field, I'll go to additional info. And here you can see that because I'm using a sample company, there are some custom fields. If you will be working on a new company, there will be no custom fields. This area will be empty. So similarly, I can define my own specific fields. I'll go to define fields and let's suppose I want to enable sales representative option. So I'll just write sales representative and I'll enable it for the customer. If you also want to show it on the purchase invoice, you can enable that as well. Now there is a choice what kind of data you want to select. If there are certain list of sales representative to choose from, you can enter a user multiple choice list. The benefit of this is there is no chance of wrong data entry or spelling mistakes, because whenever you want to choose a sales representative, you only have the choice to choose from the multiple choice list. You cannot enter by yourself. But any text, the benefit of it is that it is very flexible. So I will just keep it to any text right now and click OK. And if you don't want to see this message again, I'll just check this and click OK. So there is a field sales representative. Similarly, I'll define a new field name sales tax number. Go to define fields and mention any number sales tax number. Now this is my field name, or you can just concise it a little bit. I'll put a hash. So I'll enable it for customers and I want to keep this field flexible. So I'll keep it to any text, or I can keep it to numbers as well. So you have multiple options to choose from. So just select any text and click OK. And here we have our two new custom fields. After that, click OK. Now let's check it for any other customer. Do we have the same fields in all the customers or not? Check additional info. Here you can see these two fields, right? So this is enabled for all the customers. Now the second step is to link that fields in the invoice template. That means we have to customize the invoice template, obviously. So I'll just go to create invoices, go to any last invoice, and I want to make all the customization in my custom template. So when I change it to my custom template, I can see a different layout, right? Here I already have representative option, but if I don't want to use this one, for example, so I'll just customize it. So after that, I'll go to formatting and go to manage templates. Now my custom template is already there. I'll click OK. And under this basic customization, we went last time to layout designer. Now we will go to additional customization. In the additional customization, there are some options of headers. In the headers means all this area before the tables option, means quantity, item code, description. Any particular details related to item is called columns, and all the details above that is in headers. So whatever you don't want to see on the face of invoice, you can uncheck that. For example, I don't want to see purchase order number. Now I'll disable it from the screen and from the print. There are some scenarios where you want to enter it on the screen, means while you are entering data in your software, you need to mention this number, but when you take the print of it, you don't want it to show to the customers. So you have the choice to either enable this one, or you can disable both. Similarly, I want to disable my terms and my rep, ship via freight on board. I can uncheck all of them. As you can see that all these table or header is disappeared. Now here comes my custom fields, sales representative and sales tax number. I can check it for the screen and for the print. Now as soon as I check for the print, it will say that the new field might overlap the existing fields, but as we have disabled all the other fields, it might not affect our template. As you can see, if you already had some boxes, it might overlap them, and that you have to adjust from layout designer again. So because I have disabled that, it is pretty straightforward. Now if I want to move or make adjustments to the layout, I'll go to layout designer after that and select that boxes, and you can move it towards right like this. Click OK and click OK. Click again OK. Now this is my new template, which have the sales representative option and the sales tax number option. So you can mention any name, for example Asghar, and this is its sales tax number, and just save and close. So let's see how it shows up in the print. Go to last records and you can see print preview. So it will automatically mention it while printing. So that's how we can create custom fields in the invoices. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.